nasty and nasty and sludgy and sludgy. Oh my goodness. Look at all that, guys. Wow. I'm glad just for that to pull this thing off. Try to clean it up here as best I can. There's a little tube, basically I think it was the end of the dipstick because it was plastic. It was just floating around in here. It was actually over on this side. So I'm glad I got that out of there too. It was plastic, so hopefully a connecting rod would have just like thrown it and nothing would be hurt. But it still feels good to get it out of there. It's time to clean this thing up. Oh my gosh. I don't think I've ever seen an engine apart this bad. But as you can see, this is the 3 main engine. Just 3 main bearings. It's like a Tinker toy, guys. So let's go ahead and keep cleaning this thing up. Got the oil pickup off of there. It is time to clean this thing. Look at all that sludge. I could have just left it. But, I mean, if you guys take a look at that, I think it's a good reason not to. So, just going to hit it with the wire brush, at least this one, and then I'm actually going to try spraying brake clean from this side and just get that screen as clean as I possibly can. It's going to be a lot of cleaning, but we got the sump. Basically the sump surface looking okay. It's pretty much as good as I can get it. And I mean, dang, look at all that sludge, guys. Good reason to change your oil on a regular basis. But obviously I'll be telling these guys to do that with how nasty it looks. But let's go ahead and get this pickup nice and clean. Better than it was. Not perfect, but it's about as good as I can do.